Silver Key, and I work here in the Department of Biological and Biomedical Sciences. I teach genetics. I've been teaching genetics every semester since 2005 when I was hired, and I love teaching genetics. I use a book that's called Genetics: A Conceptual Approach by Pierce, and he starts it off with little mini case studies, and I always like to do that because it is very interesting to think about how what we're talking about today that's really basic is relating back to us as humans. We use fruit flies as a model organism to study lots of human diseases, including diabetes, Angelman syndrome, all sorts of things. My teaching philosophy is you get the students engaged with using familiar case studies. You repeat the information in multiple ways, so visually, hands-on, and auditorily. Mentoring I've been doing since I was here in 2005. I like to be able to talk to the students for as long as they need to, as long as I have the time to do it. In the research laboratory, I can give more personal attention to students than I can in a teaching setting when there's maybe 24 to 60 students in a classroom. I really like to see the light bulbs turn on in students. I love when students ask me questions and make me think about the topic that I'm teaching, and I of course like to reciprocate and ask them to think about what we're talking about. So that's what I really enjoy, is being able to think. In my teaching, bring elements of my research in. One thing that I might be famous for, I don't know, I hope I am sometime, is getting on my soapbox. I really enjoy interacting with the students. I like to bring humor into the classroom whenever possible, and just have an enjoyable experience, an interactive experience. Definitely enjoy developmental biology, where the students get to present bioethical topics and we do discussion, and sometimes the discussion can get pretty exciting.